Galaxy Buds 3 Pro versus Sony WF-1000XM5. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. So if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And also watch the video till the end. You will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about design and build. Galaxy provided compact, ergonomic, water-resistant IPX7 design, and Sony provided sleek, lightweight, water-resistant IPX4 design. So Galaxy is better. Now let's look at the sound quality. Galaxy provided rich sound with immersive 360 audio customizable EQ, and Sony provided outstanding sound quality, high-res audio with LDAC support. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the noise cancellation. Galaxy provided advanced ANC with voice detect, and Sony provided industry-leading ANC with multiple levels. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Galaxy provided battery life up to 8 hours bursts, 29 hours with case, and Sony provided up to 8-hour burst, 24-hour with case. So Galaxy is better. Now let's look at the comfort. Galaxy provided lightweight, secure fit, and Sony provided compact, fit most ear shapes well. So both are equal. Now let's look at the app compatibility. Galaxy provided Galaxy wearable Android only, and Sony headphones connect Android and iOS in Sony. So Sony is better. Now let's look at the water resistance. In Galaxy, IPX7 sweet and water resistant is available, and in Sony IPX4 splash resistant is available. So Galaxy is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Galaxy is around $230, and the estimate price of Sony is around $299. So Galaxy is better. Now let's look at the call quality. In Galaxy, clear with effective background noise reduction is available, and in Sony, excellent with AI-based noise reduction is available. So Sony is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.